So guys, welcome back to my another YouTube video. And in the last video we have checked that how to create a website or Android and iOS application similar to YouTube. Like you can create your own website or platform as YouTube, and you can generate revenue 15 to 20,000 of dollar depend on user base. So many of my clients is earning good of amount with YouTube clone. The video is still on my YouTube channel, you can check it. So after that, one of my client told me that how to create a Facebook clone website without any type of coding knowledge and in very low budget. So this is the video. In this video we are going to check the Facebook clone where user can see this interface and they can log in here. Let's see, with the account, and the confirmation code is here. So let me ask with the client. Okay, so finally I got the OTP. So let me put it 320421. This is the admin account actually, like from where the admin can access the admin panel, which is this account. That's why there is a system for two-step authentication. So you can see the interface is almost like a Facebook, and you can even check Facebook revenue. So this is the one of largest. You can see this is 8,596.5 crore dollars of Facebook. So this is the side same like Facebook. Even we can create it without coding knowledge, like developer can do it. So you can, everyone can upload the post. Also they can get a blue tick here, verification badge, and the name and everything, notification, like also you can like, comment, share, and you can also find messages here, notification. Also the Android application is available for this application, which is connected with the same side. So you can see there are a lot of features same as Facebook, and maybe there is a more than Facebook. The features is more than Facebook. You can see books, music, micro page, blog system, like all the functions are here working well. Now you can also advertise here with your users can advertise their products or their company brands. So you can earn some commission with it, like the revenue model. It is one type of model. Also you can put AdSense here so that user can see ad, and your pro user system, and there are a lot of functions. Actually I cannot describe all this in the video. So there is the admin panel, from where the only admin can access this is the only one account which we only provide to the owner of the website, from where they can modify everything. Like they can change themes, they can put enable user registration, login, SEO, everything the person owner can customize from here without any coding knowledge or without depending on any developer. So you can see uploading system. If you want to enable calling, FFmpeg, email system, chat and video calls, you can enable and disable it from here. Agora ID, social login, Node.js, and there are a lot of features. You should check it here. Every feature you can customize from here. Also there are a lot of themes. So let's see how we can create a site similar to this. So I have one extra domain, please donate.in, like one of clients work is here. So let me go to the hosting. I need a hosting, we can purchase from here. So let me log in the hosting account for the demo and all this, and I can click on the hosting simply, uh, and let me go to the page where the license activation and all these things are asking, cpanel login. Also you can choose any hosting. Okay, so invalid license for this. Let me contact to my hosting provider. What is the issue with cpanel actually? Let me take the screenshot. Okay, so screenshot is here. Now let me put the video stop. So guys, as you can see, the panel is now open. So we just have to go in the path of our domain. So we can just open the file manager simply and open the public HTML, and we can just delete the files whatever it is here. And like almost everything I have already done, which is lengthy process, but this is just a normal installation process, which if you are facing any type of issue, so you can check how I did this. So it's uploading on my server. So guys, as you can see, the source code is uploaded. We can just close it, reload it, and we can extract it here. And till that, we can create database for our site like Aryan, and we can just use it here, Aryan, and we can connect both of them with each other to make changes, and all is done right now. So normally we just have to do the process of installation, which is here. So I just have to move all the code to the root directory. Just have to select them all, show it, and I can move it in the root of the path, and I can make it again back, and just I have to do one thing. And finally the page is here. We should use our host name, local host name, and all these things. I can use it localhost in my, you can also use your server localhost, sorry, and username, password, and domain. Side name Facebook, and anything I can put here. You can also contact me if you want anything like that, admin 12. So we can just simply put it here, and the site is ready almost, so we can just go it here. Let's go. And guys, finally our website is ready. We can just use admin and admin 1 to password, and we can check it that okay, admin, I don't know what I use the password. Okay, so it's done right now. Let me, so guys, here the site is almost installed. As we can, you can see the notification pop-up is also coming as well. So here your user can upload stories and all. Here home section, create, they can also create album, add, vlog, events, and all these things from here. So our site is almost installed. So if you have any queries or question or doubts, you can just freely call or WhatsApp me. My number is in description, WhatsApp or call number. You can directly call me, or you can ask me if you are getting any type of problem while installation. So guys, next video I am going to create on Android application of this website, where all the data are same like Facebook or YouTube. So you can even publish it on Play Store and release your own brand in market and generate a good revenue. So guys, this is the video I have completed. Thank you so much for watching my video.